In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to take screenshots on Snapchat without notifying the receiver or the sender. While Snapchat notifies users when someone takes a screenshot of their snaps, there are ways to capture content without triggering a notification. But use it at your caution regarding the legality and ethics of such actions. Method 1. Use another phone to capture content. Borrow a friend's phone or use a spare device to photograph the content displayed on your Snapchat screen. Open the Snapchat secondary on the device and capture the desired content using its camera. Method 2. Utilize screen recording. Access your phone settings and enable the screen recording feature. And start screen recording and navigate to the Snapchat app to capture the desired content. Third method is to activate airplane mode. Access the control center on your iPhone because this is just for iPhone. Open the Snapchat app and view the snap you wish to capture. Take a screenshot while in airplane mode to avoid triggering notifications. And after that, clear cache before disabling airplane mode. 4. Employ screen mirroring. Use the screen mirroring feature on your Android device to display its content on a larger screen, such as laptop. Take a screenshot of the mirrored content using the connected device, ensuring discretion. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.